is Shannon from SP88 again. Yeah, I've got an MX5 and the customer called me out to say that the speakers in the headrest and the door speakers aren't working. Now, I'm not an MX5 guy, so I never even knew that they would go through the trouble of putting speakers in the headrest. Because imagine those speakers are faulty right now. That's going to be a bit of a pain to change, isn't it? But anyway, I took the door speakers out. Quite easy to do on these. On both sides. Look what I found. So yeah, before I condemn this radio as faulty, you've got to start with some new speakers. So we know the radio is good. I don't want to get demonetized when I do get monetized for playing a stupid song on the radio. Okay, it's working. Okay, so the radio is working, and I've also found out how to check out the speakers. Look at these bad boys. How cool is that? Oh my god, the whole thing is falling apart. Have a look at this. These old school immobilizers. It goes in there. It's all sounding normal. I want you guys to listen and tell me if you can hear something odd. Mate, have a look at this. It's a turbo MX5. I've never been so surprised by a customer car in my life. Oh well, you know what I noticed is 9 track day tires. Just thinking, this car's a bit slow for track day tires. Revved it up, I can hear the wastegate going psh, psh. What? Yeah, man. Turbo. It's a big, so more than likely this car has had a decat. Would be surprised if it hasn't. Yeah. And that's why it stinks of petrol. So I'm jack it up and have a look. And I'll let you guys know if it has a decal on it. If it does, that's why it stinks of petrol, isn't it? Oh god, look. Customer's gonna be upset about that. I have to wash down the wall. Yeah, it's got the 9 race tires all around, man. We've got a catalytic converter there. Proper car. But anyway guys, this is what I do. I'm a mobile mechanic, and I'll be showing you guys videos of cool cars that I come across. 96,000 miles. Yeah. I wish I could tell you more about it, but don't know that much about these cars, to be honest. But I bet this car goes some. I wish the customer was here to tell me about it. He's actually at work, so maybe in another video I might get this out for a test drive. As long as he's happy with the service that I deliver, you'll see this car back again. What? Nice little black spray job on the top, wrinkled paint and that. Oops. Full to minimum is 0.8 of a litre, so not 1 litre like most cars. 0.8. and it's just underneath the maximum, so that's all good. Got a little bit of an old coolant leak down there. There's his dump valve. Look at that. It's fully metal aluminium radiator. Oh, what the? It's even got an oil cooler in there, man. Mole color oil cooler with the AN fitments. If it's not AN fitment, let me know in the comments. I think they are AN fitments. I know everyone loves an AN fitment. Is there any other ANs around there? No other ANs. It's a master cylinder. Looks like he's had new brake pipes fitted at some point. What is this? Let's have a look. Open and close. Open. Oh. Is that power steering? Yep. Power steering fluid. Old school Jubilee clips, man. It's got braided line back into the engine for the turbo. And look at that. Look at that. I think there's something's been tapped for the oil return. Nice car, man. Alright, that's enough now. Go back to work. Oh, what's this? Time clockwise. Oh, that is your headlight level motor. That's your headlight motors.